Welcome back to a new episode of Tax Insight. Jeet sir, I understand the earlier forms 3CA, 3CB and 3CD have now been replaced with new form 26?
That's right, Rajita. The earlier forms 3CA, 3CB and 3CD have now been consolidated into a single form 26. This is the audit report and statement of particulars under Section 63 of the IT Act, applicable to businesses and professionals whose turnover or receipts cross the prescribed audit threshold.
So instead of 3 separate forms, taxpayers now file just one?
Exactly. It's a single smart form for annual filing. The clauses are now aligned with the ITR structure, which means fewer mismatches and fewer rectifications later.
That should make compliance smoother.
Absolutely. The form includes auto-populated fields, drop-down menus, and real-time validations which help catch errors at the filing stage itself. Certain disallowance clauses have been consolidated, and GST-related reporting has been rationalized by simplifying low-utility clauses.
And what about transparency in audit reporting?
Good point. Auditor IDs and UDIN are now mandatory, which strengthens accountability and improves the authenticity of audit reports.
Less manual work, more accurate data, fewer ITR audit mismatches, and better transparency. That's the new Form 26. Simpler, smarter, and more reliable. See you in the next episode of Tax Insight.